Hello everyone, today I'm with General United African Inter Cairo. We know that Africa is the heart of the world. That is why today we celebrated for the African Day. If you are excited to know more about African culture, join us. If you like to know more about food, music African, dress Africa, join us. You're gonna like it. Most of the beautiful Nigerian girl. How are you?
I'm fine.
How long have you been here?
For 2 years.
2 years. What do you study?
I study education in Cairo University.
Education in Cairo University. Your name what?
Yeah?
Your name?
My name is Lily.
Lily, why do you come to study in Egypt? Why do you leave Nigeria and come to study in Egypt?
Because I feel the study here is more better than Nigeria's and like it's faster than Nigeria.
Okay, African youth like to travel outside to Africa. Why?
Okay, I feel because we are all one, because we are all Africans. That's why we travel to.
Why you like to travel to Europe?
Why will I?
Yes, to live you.
Why will I like to travel to Europe?
Yes.
Okay, because I feel the economy here is more better than the economic in Africa. So,
okay. Africa have different kind of the culture. How we can make this culture to build our country?
Okay, I think by not fighting each other and like being in, like loving each other as one. So I think that is the way we can. Actually, yeah.
Okay. What do you message today for all the youth Africans are studying here in Cairo?
Okay, my message for all Africans studying in Cairo is that we should all love each other as one, since we are all Africans. So we should come together to build our countries. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hi guys, we come back again with one of the African youths. How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Mamadou Bello Jallo and I'm from Guinea Conakry. I'm the deputy of the General Secretary of the General Union of African Students in Egypt.
Okay, how long have you been here?
It's not too much, as we said, just like 5 years.
5 years. Have you finished your school or no?
I'm in my last year doing in the Faculty of Commerce, doing business administration.
Okay, Mohammed, when you come Egypt here, what do you think you find here you not find in your country?
Traveling, it's a new experience. When you travel, you meet new people, you meet new culture, discover new culture, and you have to adapt to this kind of situation, because you may find a lot of things that is different in the daily life or in the cultural living, in everything. The kind of system of thinking and everything in every aspect of the life you will find
African youth, today is the day of the Africa. What do you want to say for the all the African Youth Day in Cairo?
Yeah, today we are here to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the African Union. It's a big opportunity to remember the great fight that our ancestors has done for the independence of Africa, for the unity, for the prosperity. So we call upon all people, all students to come together to join the youth movement, to join this new way of thinking, to liberate or to seek for freedom and prosperity and achieve great things for Africa, because Africa is the continent of now.
Okay, Muhammad, most of the African youths are leaving our Africa, they're coming here. Why? They're leaving Africa, they like to stay in Europe, like that. Why?
No, that may be the struggling of Africa. So we have to change the spirit and to change the youth mindedness of about Africa. If we can change it, Africa has as I would say, is the continent of now. It's the beautiful and the greatest continent ever made. So we can achieve things that we cannot achieve there. If we are in this continent, we work hard, because what is the sense of going out to be there, even if you are going rich, but it doesn't make sense. But if you are in your country, you have to struggle as they have struggled, and through history, they have been fighting and challenging life to have a better life. So we have to do this in the African continent by the African minds. So the change that we seek has to be made by the African made.
Okay. What's your message for all the African students here in Cairo?
So my message will be so simple. Just focus on the study. Focus on the study, because education is the best or the most legacy that we can give for people, and it's the best way for achieving development. So if we study hard, so we can come back and build a strong relationship between African countries. That will promote unity and solidarity, so that we can develop and can achieve growth in the African
I just got to the mall.
Never